College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling business statistics subject for BCom third sem student. Okay, last class we have discussed what is range and what is dispersion and sums based on range. Okay, another measurement of dispersion, that is quartile deviation. To overcome the difficulties of range, in range we have to consider only two values, that is the highest and the lowest value. Still now range alli consider ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ whole values na we are not consider ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, so to overcome that difficulties, quartile deviation has been introduced. In that quartile deviation we have to consider the upper quartile and the lower quartile, that is q3 minus q1 divided by 2. Dividing 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. q3 is nothing but 3 into n plus 1. n is nothing but the number of values given in the data, ಅಥವಾ number of values ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 2 3 4 5 ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ q1 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, n plus 1 divided by 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 4 divided by 4. Okay. 6 plus 1 7. 7 divided by 4. Okay. 7 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay. 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ 0. 7 8s are 1.8. 7. So that 2 into the point go to the 5. Okay. 1.75 is our quartile deviation. Then point alli ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ then we have to find out first number ಅದನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು then we have to find out the 0.75 ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು q1 ಅನ್ನು ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ that ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, quartile deviation we have to consider all the values which are given in the data. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ q3 minus q1 divided by 2. ದೆನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ q3 minus q1 divided by 2. q3 plus q1 divided by 2. q3 minus q1 divided by 2. q3 plus q1 divided by 2. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಈ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ q3 plus q1 divided by q3 plus q3 minus q1 divided by q3 plus q1 ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ start the problems based on quartile deviation. Number 1. Find out the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. 26, 43, 30, 37, 38, 35, 29, 38, 35, 32, 35 and 36. First we have to arrange these data in a ascending order, that is small number to big number. Okay, first we have to find out which is the lowest value, that is 26, then 29, then 30, 32, 35, 35, 36, again 36, 37, 38, 38 and 43. Okay, then we have to find out the quartile deviation. First one is calculation of quartile deviation. QD is equal to q3 minus q1 divided by 2. q3 minus q1 divided by 2. Then first you have to find out the q1. calculation of Q1. Okay, Q1 is nothing but n plus 1 divided by 4. N plus 1 divided by 4. So we have to count these numbers. Yes, number ada ante 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 numbers. 12 plus 1 divided by 4. 13 divided by 4. 13 divided by 4. Okay, 3.25. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.25 ನಂಬರನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರನ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.25. 0.25. Third value is our 30. 30 plus 0.25 minus here third minus fourth values. 4 minus third. Okay. Fourth value is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 32 minus 30. 30 plus 0.25. 32 ಒಳಗಡೆ 30 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 2. Okay. Then 30 plus 0.25 into 2, 0.5, that is 30.5 is our Q1. Okay, I hope you understood. First, how many numbers are there in the given information? We have to count first, that is 12 numbers are there. Then 12 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 13 divided by 4, 3.25. Only 3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ third value is 1, 2, 3. 3ನೇ ನಮ್ದು Q1 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, 0.25 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಏನದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.25 ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. 4 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 30, ಥರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 32 ಮೈನಸ್ 30. 32 ಮೈನಸ್ 30 is 2. 0.25 into 2. 0.25 into 2, 0.5. 30 plus 0.5, 30 plus 0.5 is 30.5. I hope you understood the Q1. Next one is Q3. We have to calculate Q3. One is 30.5. Then we have to find out Q3. Second one, calculation of Q3. Okay, Q3 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into 12 plus 1 divided by 4. 12 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 into 13 divided by 4. 3 into 13 divided by 4, that is 3 into 13 by 4. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಲಿದ್ದು? ಓಕೆ, 3.25. 3.25. Okay, 3 into 3.25, that is 9.75. Okay, ಮತ್ತು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9.75 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, 9th ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.75 ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 10 ಮೈನಸ್ 9, ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9ದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು 8. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 10 ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 9th ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.75 ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 10 ಮೈನಸ್ 9. ಓಕೆ, 9th ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 37 plus 0.75. 10th number is 38. 38 minus 37. Okay, 37 plus 0.75 into 1. 38 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 37 ಹೋದರೆ 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 37 plus 0.75. 0.75 into 1, 0.75, that is 37.75. 37.75 Q3. 37.75 minus 30.5 divided by 2. Okay, 7.70 divided by 2. 7.70 divided by 2. Nothing but 0.625. 3.625. Sorry, 3.625. It is our quartile deviation. Okay, first we have to find out Q1, then we have to find out Q3. Q3 is 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into 12 plus 1 divided by 4. 3, 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 4. 13 divided by 4. Already we have calculated working note number 1 ali. That is 3.25. 3.25. 3 into 3.25. That is 9.75. Okay, 9.75 round off value bandilla. So we have to calculate 9th value plus 0.75. 9th the next number 10. 10 minus 9. Okay, 9th value 37 plus 0.75. 10th value is 38. 9th value is 37. 38 minus 37, that is 1. 37 plus 0.75 into 1, 0.75 plus 37 is 37.75. Okay, then we have to find out QD, quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q3 we have calculated here 37.75. Then minus 30.5 divided by 2. 37.75 minus 30.5. Sorry. 37.75 minus 30.5, that is 5. 7 only 5 hodre 2, that is 7.25. 7.25 divided by 2. 3.625 is our quartile deviation. Then we have to find out coefficient of quartile deviation. Next one is second working note here. Calculation of coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation, that is QD is the coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1, that is 37.75 minus 30.5 divided by 37.75 plus 30.5. 37.75 minus 30.5, 7.25 divided by 68.25. 68.25. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ we will get coefficient of quartile deviation 0.1062. 0.1062 is our coefficient of quartile deviation. I hope you understood the problem. First given information alli ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, small number to big number. Then we have to find out the Q1, that is Q1 formula is n plus 1 divided by 4. The answer 30.5 anide. Next Q3 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 37.75. First ಇವೆರಡು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Q1 ಮತ್ತೆ Q3 ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು then ನಾವು substitute into the quadratic formula. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q3 is 37.75, Q1 is 30.5 divided by 2, that is 7.25 divided by 2 is 3.625. Then we have to find out the coefficient of quartile deviation Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. 37.75 minus 30.5 divided by 37.75 plus 30.5. 7.25 divided by 68.25, that is nothing but 0.1062 is our coefficient of quartile deviation. I hope you understood. The next one is problem number 2. Calculate quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. 28, 48, 96, 56, 85, 76, 68 and the last one is 75. First we have to arrange these numbers in a ascending order. Okay. First one is 28, 48, 56, 68, 75, 76. Then the last one is 85 and the 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then we have to find out the quartile deviation. Working note number 1. Calculation of quartile deviation QD. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. First we have to find out Q1, then Q3. Okay, here calculation of Q1. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. Okay, 9 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 0.4 twos are then 5. 2.25 is our Q1. Then second value plus 0.25. Third minus second values. Second value is 48 plus 0.25, that is 56 minus 48. 48 plus 0.25 into 56 minus 48. 8. Answer is 8. So 48 plus 0.25 into 8, that is nothing but 2. Answer is 50. This is Q1. Answer is 50. So then we have to find out the value of Q1. Calculation of Q3. Q3 is equal to 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into, already we have calculated here n plus 1 divided by 4. That is nothing but 2.25. However, other direct only 3 into 2.25. 3 into 2.25 is 6.75. Then we have to find out the values. Sixth value plus 0.75. Sixth, the next number 7. 7 minus 6. Sixth value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 76 plus 0.75. 85 minus 76. 76 plus 0.75. 85 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 76 ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is a 9. Okay, 76 plus 0.75 into 9, that is 76 plus 0.75 into 9. 6.75. 6.75, that is 82.75 is our Q3. Okay, here 82.75. 82.75 minus 50 divided by 2. 82.75 minus 50 divided by 2. That is 32.75 divided by 2. Answer is 16.375. 16.375 is our QD, quartile deviation. Q3, 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 n plus 1 already we have calculated here. That is 2.25. 3 into 2.25, 6.75. Okay, 6th value 76, 0.75, 7 minus 6. 85 minus 76, 9. 76, 0.75 into 9, 6.75. 82.75. 82.75 minus 50 divided by 2. 32.75 divided by 2, that is 16.7375. Next, we have to calculate the coefficient of quartile deviation. Number 2. Calculation of coefficient of quartile deviation. Quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q3 is 82.75. Q1 is 50 divided by 82.75 plus 50. Okay, 82.75 minus 50 is 32.75 divided by 82.75 plus 50. 130.75. Answer is 0.250 is our coefficient of quartile deviation. I hope you understood the problem. Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. 82.75 minus 50 divided by 82.75 plus 50. 32.75 divided by 130.75. Answer is 0.250. The next one is 3. Calculate quartile deviation and its coefficient. But quartile deviation ಅಷ್ಟೇ calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Coefficient ನ next session ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to calculate. Okay, 20, 2, 26, 32, 19, 14, 15, 35, 10, 32 and the last one is 28. First we have to arrange these data in an ascending order. Small to big. 10, 14, 15, 19, 26, 28, 22, 26, 28, then 32, 32, then the last one is 28, 32, 32 and the last one is 35. Working note number 1. Calculation of quartile deviation. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. First we have to find out Q3 or Q1. ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ Q1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ Q1. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 4. That is 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay, then 2 ultada 7.5. 2.75 is Q1. Then second value plus 0.75. Third minus second value. Second value is 14. 14 plus 0.75. 15 minus 14. 14 plus 0.75. 15 minus 14, that is 1. 14 plus 0.75. Okay. 14 plus 0.75 is 14.75. Q1 is 14.75 divided by 2. Then we have to find out Q3. Q3. Calculation of Q3. 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into already n is to n plus 1 divided by 4. 2.75. 3 into 2.75. 3 into 2.75. 8.25. 8th value plus 0.25. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. 8 value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 value is 32. 32 plus 0.25. 9th value is 32 minus 32. 32 plus 0.25 into 0. 32. 0.25 into 0? 0. Okay, our answer is 32. Then 32 minus 14.75 divided by 2, that is 17.3 is our quartile deviation. I hope you understood the problem. How to calculate quartile deviation and the coefficient of quartile deviation. Next is the coefficient antandre. Next again calculation of coefficient of quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Okay. Q3 is 32. 32 minus 14.75 divided by 32 plus 14.75. Okay. 32 minus 14.75. 17.3 divided by 46.7. Answer is 0.370 is our quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation is 0.7370. Then the quartile deviation is 17.3. I hope you understood the problem. How to calculate quartile deviation, then how to find out the coefficient of quartile deviation. Okay, first we have to find out Q1, then we have to find out Q3. Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. 32 minus 14.75, that is 2. 17.3. 17.3 Q1 Q3 minus Q1 ಮಾಡಿದೆ. The same ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q3 plus Q1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 32 minus 14.75 divided by 32 plus 14.75. 17.3 divided by 46.7, that is 0.370 is our coefficient of quartile deviation. I hope you understood the problem based on quartile deviation. Range ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. In next class I will discuss another problems based on quartile deviation in the next session. Thank you.